The single-use coagulation testing kit is 15 sets per package, and there is a RF card for one box. Before using the testing kit, it is necessary to scan the RF card. Firstly, go to the analysis slide and click Read Card. Place the card on the reading position for a few seconds. Then click OK. Secondly, adjust the sample rack type. Go to Setting, Auxiliary Setting, Other, and change the rack type. Before use, please place the testing kit at room temperature for at least 15 minutes. Reverse it. And gently tap it on the table, then put it back to upside. Tap it on the table again. Do this combo for 3 times. Finally, tap the kit in upside for 3 times. Ensure that the reagents can reach the bottom center, and the liquid hanging on the wall should not be excessive. There should be no air bubbles at the bottom. Small bubbles on the surface are acceptable. Load the kit into the special rack. And also load the plasma sample. Click the place of the sample. Then do the addition of the information of this sample test. Click Load the kit and select the kit position, then you should scan the QR code of the kit to finish the loading. Finally, you could run the test. Click Run.